other filtering hazards you have to watch out for. There's somebody pulling out of traffic like that there. I'm going to be reporting your phone use to the police. You'll have about 2 weeks. Well, you shouldn't have done it, should you? Carry on.
Please don't do that. I'm going to get 3 points on my license.
You're going to get 6. Carry on.
Please don't do that.
No, you mustn't use your phone. Carry on.
Please don't do that. Please don't do that.
Well, you shouldn't have done it, should you?
Okay, I'm sorry. Please don't do that.
I'm sorry, you're no better or more special than anyone else I've reported.
Please, I've got a disabled son. He's a type 1 diabetic.
Okay.
I've already got 6
I'm also a type 1 diabetic.
But so is my son. It means I will lose my license.
Well, you probably will be able to argue exceptional hardship. That's up to you and the magistrates. Carry on, please, sir. Well, I don't dare to go in front of you, so I'm going to walk away. A type 1 diabetic is quite capable of having a perfectly normal life, being a type 1 diabetic myself, so I don't really think that's a valid reason to argue exceptional hardship. And if you've already got 6 points, my reasoning is that you're not learning from the point system. The point system is designed to teach you to fix your behavior before it becomes a catastrophic loss of license.